Tranchess is a yield-enhancing asset tracker designed for investors with varied risk appetites. Whether you're a conservative investor who likes to hold stable coins, or a firm long-term believer of BNB, ETH, and BTC, or possibly even an aggressive investor who prefers a leveraged portfolio. Here's how the Tranchess ecosystem works. Lisa is an aggressive investor who strongly believes in the upside of BTC prices. In centralized exchanges, Lisa could put on a leveraged long position in BTC using margin. This offers a bigger profit if the BTC price goes up. However, if BTC price dumps, she could lose all her money before her equity drops to zero as a result of forced liquidation. In a flash crash where one particular central exchange is lacking bids momentarily, Lisa may also get liquidated at an extremely low price on a particular exchange, which isn't a clear reflection of the correct market price. Conversely, in a bull market, if BTC price went up significantly, she would likely pay a hefty funding cost for this position, which can range from 50 to 100% on an annualized basis. Rook token is designed to solve this problem for aggressive, profit-seeking investors like Lisa. It provides BNB, BTC, ETH leveraged exposure to investors without the risk of forced liquidation. Tranchess also filters out price anomalies by employing TWAP pricing, as well as trusted decentralized oracles such as Chainlink. What's more, the effective funding cost is always anchored by the USDC lending rate on Venus protocol, which is relatively stable even in a bull run. Next, meet Lee, a passive investor who prefers to hold on to stable coins. He's focused on preservation of capital and is looking for more fixed income returns. Usually, Lee can either supply his stable coins such as BUSD in a lending protocol to earn a small return, or yield farm governance tokens by providing liquidity in an AMM pool, which may lead to impermanent loss. Bishop allows Lee to do both at the same time without impermanent losses. Bishop token is designed to perform like a stable coin. It earns interest by lending out liquidity to Rook holders for its leveraged exposure. It also allows holders to farm Tranchess's governance token, Chess. Bishop is the ideal solution for passive investors like Lee, looking for both stable and attractive returns at the same time. Lastly, meet Tim, a true hodler of BNB who doesn't want to miss the long-term boom of the crypto market. In general, high market cap assets such as BNB have relatively low yield given its availability in the overall market. Tranchess's Queen provides a generous yield for Tim's BNB in two ways. One, by running its own BNB Chain validator node and delegating BNB funded by its own investors. BNB Queen benefits from additional rewards. 2. Queen also allows holders to farm Tranchess's governance token, Chess, which is widely traded in major exchanges such as Binance and PancakeSwap. More about Chess will be covered in a separate video. Putting it all together, the Tranchess primary ecosystem consists of Queen, which is created by depositing BNB, ETH, BTC. Bishop and Rook are created by splitting Queens. Queen tracks the underlying asset. After Queen is split into Rook and Bishop, Rook enjoys its leveraged market exposure to any underlying asset via liquidity borrowing from Bishop. This, on the other hand, gives Bishop a higher yield in the form of lending interest. It's a symbiotic relationship that creates a win-win strategy for both. Choosing between Rook, Bishop, and Queen tokens allows you to select the risk exposure that you're most comfortable with, while earning yield in the form of Chess governance token emissions and more. And that, in a nutshell, is the Tranchess ecosystem. To learn more and go deeper into the protocol, join our community on Telegram or Discord.